Oh yeah. We're never going to be upset for taking pictures. That's why you're here. You can go. All right, welcome everybody. Welcome to Ruby Falls. I'm John from Dallas. Chuck, my trainer, he's from Chattanooga. He's local. We're going to figure out where everybody's from because people are coming from all over to see this place. So let's start with you guys. Where are you from?
Local, Nolensville.
Oh, okay. Nice. All local? You guys are one group, right?
Yep.
Okay. You guys?
Atlanta.
Atlanta. Okay. All right. We got a couple of Atlantas with us.
They're from outside Atlanta.
Outside Atlanta. All right. And you guys?
Japan.
Japan? Oh, cool. Nice. All right. Got an international tour. That's cool. All right. Well, you guys can go ahead and head up around the curve. The rest of the group's going to be up there. We're going to take off here in a minute. All right? Cool. You guys are going to be my caboose, which means at points I'm going to be like, Japan, you there? Just to make sure we got the whole group, just yell out, okay? And even if I don't hear you, someone in the group will be like, they're back there, we heard them. Well, welcome to Chattanooga and, the United States and everything.